Carol is an endurance coach at Carmarthenshire Athletic Club, where she coaches trackside several times a week. Carol has also been the team manager and coach on several occasions for the Welsh schools team. Carol's commitment to her athletes is profound, spending hours not only coaching, but travelling with the athletes to competitions and working on training programmes. Her athletes have competed in many schools' international championships and secured many podium places, with one athlete coming first in the Manchester internal meeting during August 2021.
Carol yw'r prif hyfforddwr yng Nghlwb Gymnasteg Llanelli ac mae hi'n ymroi ei holl egni i'r gamp. Mae gan Carol cymhwyster hyfforddi lefel 5, sy'n golygu bod hi'n gymwys i hyfforddi lefel gemau Prydain, Ewrop a'r Gymanwlad. Pan ddaeth pandemig Covid-19, aeth Carol ati gynnal sesiynau ar Zoom ac ar ôl bod nôl yn y gampfa am ychydig o fisoedd yn unig, roedd hi wedi paratoi sawl gymnast ar gyfer cystadlu, lle llwyddodd pob un o'r 8 i nai ennill lle yng Ngharfan Elit Gorllewin Cymru neu yn y Garfan Genedlaethol.
David Thomas is a coach at Dymax Gymnastics Club based in Crosshands. He's a high-performance coach in both acrobatics and tumbling. In 2019, he had 11 members in the Welsh squad and 15 Welsh champion title holders in gymnastics. In addition to this, David also had 4 gymnasts at elite British pathway level and is the only coach in Wales who has had local children whom he trains to be in the elite British pathway squad for the last 7 consecutive years.